Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic poached egg. It's one of my very most favorite ways to eat eggs. And I have a special visitor, my lovely mother Rita.
Hi everyone.
She is here to visit the grandkids, but I wrangled her into the kitchen and me.
My son.
And me. She loves me too.
A lot.
So this isn't your most favorite way to eat eggs, but so simple to do, but many people are really intimidated by it. Because I think they just try to like dump an egg in water, it doesn't work out, they're like, oh, not gonna happen. Here's what we're gonna do. We have a pot of simmering water, very like, I feel like I'm getting a facial, it's nice. We need a fresh egg. If we were making a macaron, we'd want old eggs. We'd age the egg whites because they get more liquidy and runny, better for a macaron. But for a poached egg, we want to have really thick, gelatinous egg whites.
The freshest.
They hold together better. Before we do anything, we're gonna crack our egg over a fine mesh sieve over a little bowl. That egg has a lot of watery egg whites and they're gonna fly away into tiny wisps. So crack it over the bowl, let that excess egg white drain off, and then you'll have just that gelatinous center part. It'll really hold together well and you'll have a beautiful poached egg. After your water comes to a boil, take it down to low. And now we can add in 1 tablespoon or so of a light colored vinegar. Any vinegar will do. It's gonna help the eggs stay together. Trust me, and you're not gonna taste the vinegar because it's only a tablespoon. Give the water a nice swirl, create a vortex that'll help hold things together. And then gently release your egg into the center of that vortex. You'll see the egg whites wrap around the egg and you just let it sit. Let it cook for like 3 minutes. That'll give you a nice soft yolk with a harder white. If you want a fully cooked one, just boil an egg. 3 minutes-ish.
Can we cover it?
We're gonna cover it as well. My mom wants it to have all that steamy goodness to really cook the inside of the egg. While that's happening, you can like get your toast ready, some avocados, some smoked salmon, whatever you like.
You can drizzle a little bit of lime juice on the avocado, season the egg with salt and pepper, and enjoy. See, what happens is
It's not ready yet.
No, but the egg yolk got covered with the, it got cooked a little better, and the other was the opposite. The whites cook first.
Yeah, we had one that is an adequate poach, but it's not super pretty. So we're like, nope, for you, we're gonna make it look nice and do a better job. Okay, so we're using like a slotted spoon to remove the egg. I don't think it's done yet.
It is done.
Beautiful, look at this egg. Let's do that one more time. Swirl the water. Gently release your strained egg. You don't have to strain the eggs, by the way. You'll just have some more flyaways and it's not as appealing visually. After 3 minutes, use a slotted spoon. Gently pull that egg out, transfer it to a paper towel. You can see it's a beautiful egg. Look at this. So we have our perfectly poached egg. If there's any like stragglers of whites hanging around, just cut them away with like a spoon or a fork for that beautiful compact look. I am so excited. All you really need to do is just add in like a little sprinkle of salt, using some Malden sea salt, and then a little bit of pepper.
I'll do it.
Thank you.
Ugh,
wonderful. You can have this on top of an English muffin, a biscuit, with a little bit of like wilted spinach or Swiss chard.
Or any grain salad.
Yeah, some smoked salmon, that works. Okay, let's cut into this. You have to see the yolk. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful yolk. And I have a little toast soldier. I'm gonna sop that all up and
Yum, yum.
you get the next one. Do you think the boys would like poached eggs?
They would love them.
It was that simple. Thank you so much for helping me out. You really were a lifesaver. My poached egg was not going to be this pretty, but Mom's guidance carried me through. Let me know in the comments how you would like to enjoy your poached egg. I kind of want some smoked salmon, a little bit of like wilted greens, a nice, beautiful biscuit. I have the best biscuit recipe. I don't know, tooting my own horn, but click up over here if you want to make my biscuits that go perfectly with a nice poached egg.
And slices of avocado.
Avocado, yes. Anyways,
Enjoy.
hope you get to make these. Thanks so much, bon appetit, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.